on the way to North Carolina. Go hit up some tracks. Oh yeah.
NC baby.
Morning everybody. We are in North Carolina now. Gonna come out and hit some county line today, and then where are we going tomorrow?
Dreamville.
We're going to Dreamville tomorrow, so should be a pretty fun day. Got all the bikes and everything loaded up. Waiting on Nick. Motherfucker was like, oh yeah, let's get up early and go to the track, but you know, he's the last motherfucker up, but here we are. We're gonna get her going. We'll see you at the track. Dude, I don't know what it is about North Carolina. Everybody and their moms got mud graps out here. Had to stop at the local Wawa, get us some good old beef fist. Throw a good old water in there. Dude, that looks...
Damn, I wish you'd fucking turn. Oh! You're retarded. You're going the wrong way.
Man is letting us in. Hell yeah, boys.
So early.
Show up early. Get the best spot in the house. Track looks mint. Oh yeah. Should be a sick day. Pretty stoked right now. That's for damn sure. Damn, boys. We have made it out here. Track looks prime. Dude is finishing up the prep. Boys, we have fucking made it.
Hell yeah.
Let's fucking go.
Let's unload this shit.
Get the bikes unloaded real quick. Oh.
Yo.
Seriously? Come on, man. How fast were you going?
70.
77.
Oh, 77.
Got pulled over.
It's a highway, 55 miles.
That's crazy.
Straight road.
I was like, I see a cop light, and I was like, I've been catching up to you because I seen you. I was like, there's no way it's him. Sure enough.
He got me. I did the old accidental military ID on him.
We are.
Who hit all the jumps? Come on! Get back here.
We're out here at the fucking ARENACROSS. I guess we switch
Let
modes.
everybody know Max had none of the big jumps at the track today. So.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck though. But you know, we're out here at ARENACROSS, about to go watch some goons goon it. Track looks minty. We've made it in here. All the boys are here. About to go see some carnage for sure. Whoops, look pretty mint. Hell yeah. Honestly.
Ready for 250 club. Main event. It's Gage Lindsay once again, your leader. But we will not quite yet, but they are going to go real. That's the cover for off of the big lap number 1. Inside, versus
It's that shit! Oh! Damn! Rider down hard! Damn!
Seriously, Fayetteville, North Carolina, I want to thank you guys so much. It's been an awesome weekend here.
We got the 250 Pro main going on right now.
Sonny's back, we're back down.
The carnage is going to be real. 15 riders
One more time,
into that tiny fucking corner.
you guys are awesome. Let's get this race on
That'll
the
be
road.
insane. We gonna see some cool shit. No shot slowies in the house. That's fucking sick. That was a solid day got to do some riding, got to watch some ARENACROSS.
Okay, things we learned. Evan Ferry got fucked up.
Yeah, that was pretty.
Slowy's allowed at ARENACROSS. And Max still sucks at riding.
Hey, I'm still getting somewhere. 2 years in, we're learning. But yeah, nah, definitely was a solid day.
Greenville in the morning.
Dreamville in the morning. We will see you there. Hey, hopefully a quick recovery on, oh hell, what the fuck was his name?
Evan Ferry?
Evan Ferry, yeah. Quick recovery on you, bro. Hope you get well. We'll see you at Dreamville tomorrow. Peace out. 3 inch folks or what?
Let's go over his real.
Morning, dirt bags. We are fucking loading up, heading to what is it, Dreamland or
Dreamville.
Dreamville, same shit, different
On the other
name,
side of his strap.
but
You gotta take the whole strap.
getting the bikes loaded up. Had to do a little tube change on the old 450. Fucking popped her yesterday. Only got a half a day of riding in, but still got some good stuff for the other boys. But yeah, gonna be a sick day at Dreamville. We have made it to Dreamville.
That's right. Oh, yeah. I didn't quite get that gate on oil.
Damn, track looks sick. Oh, we got a fucking sign in.
Cause that corner looks different now.
That corner was?
Yeah, right there.
Damn, dude.
They like made it longer, more of a scooper now.
Track looks sick. Look like it got some booters. Hell yeah. Go get the bikes unloaded. Boys, what do we think of the track so far?
About to check out the bathrooms.
About to go blow it up, bud.
He told me to leave him.
Huh?
He's gonna walk.
Oh, hell no. That's a fucking hike and a half. We are trackside right now watching the goons out here in C-Class. Chase is coming up. Woo! Let's get her going, boy! What do we think of the track?
Well, it's not Briarcliff. It's a little rougher. It's a little wetter, but you know, it's dried up and we're getting better. We're getting better.
It's more like an East Fork prep. It's like wet as shit, but
This is not slick like it does.
yeah. Get some clips of us riding here in a little bit. Figure out how to throw some whips or something. I don't know. We're just gonna go out here and just goon it, boys. Good morning, everybody. This is the last day. So we got the bikes loaded up. Unfortunately, we are heading back to Ohio now. It was a hell of a trip. It was a fucking blast. Got to see some pretty gnarly shit at ARENACROSS. Got to ride a couple sick tracks.
Back to some snow.
Yeah. We are heading back to some fucking snow, but it is what it is. So we if you like the video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe. Everything helps. Yeah. Until next time, boys.